Stephen has a counter on his bike. It counts the number of revolutions his bike has made. His wheels are 40 centimeters in diameter. To me, that means 20 centimeters in radius. And to me, that also means 0.2 of a meter, because I'm going to have to change this kilometers to 1,000 meters, okay? Now, shh. What? It is. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, you just can't see it. Now, okay, so what we're going to do next, guys, is the following. We are going to do, L equals 2 pi r. And if somebody could give me the answer for this, we're going to go for 2 pi multiplied by 0.2. Could you give me that answer in, I don't know, in decimals even? 4 point? 1.26? So every single time your wheel rotates, you travel 1.26 meters. Now grab that number and multiply it by 1989. And what do we get? So I don't want it in centimeters. Anybody else get it? Shh. Huh? 506.14. Gotcha. 2506.14. And that is how far you've gone, yeah? And that's Grant. So his granny lives 2.5 kilometers away, isn't it? Yeah. Did anybody use 0.4 pi? Can you try that now for me? 0.4 pi multiplied by 1989 and give it to me again. 2,400 and on the money. 0.44. Okay. Shh. Lads, I have two separate answers here. Which answer do you think is more accurate and why?
The second one.
The second one's more accurate because we used 0.4 pi. We didn't round off anything. Well, this one we rounded to 2 decimal places. And over like practically 2,000 turns of the wheel, you'll see a small error appear. So this is actually the superior answer. And this one isn't as good. Thank you. All right, that's good. Now, next thing, guys. Shh. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to get 1,000. And we're going to divide 1,000 by 0.4 pi. Use this side of the classroom, I want you to do 1,000 divided by 0.4 pi. This side of the classroom, I want you to do 1,000 divided by 1.26. And you'll see that there's a discrepancy in the answers. What did you guys get? 795. So practically 796 turns of the wheel. What did you guys get? 799. Repeated fraction. Repeat 6666. Is everybody cool with that? Okay. The more accurate number is 795 or 796 rounded. Okay. 796, wasn't it? Okay. Alright, guys. Now, if we go to the next question then, we're going to 16, is it? Nope, you don't want that. Next one here. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to concentrate on the big circle. Everybody see the big circle? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of this half of this big circle. Agreed? So the area of half of this big circle is a half. Oh, sorry, look at not the area, the perimeter. So I'm going to find the perimeter of this blue part here. Everybody see this blue part? Okay, and this blue part is a half 2 pi r. Exact same thing, yeah? Yeah, which is just pi r. Yeah, you're correct. So 2 pi multiplied by 4 divided by 2. Give it to me in decimals. 25.1 meters? Okay. Is everybody happy with 25.1? Did you divide by 2 though?
75.
Was it?
7.
12.6 to the nearest meter. So 12.56 you're saying? Okay. So that's the blue one. Now, the red one, however, is 1, 2, 2 half circles, which is there. Another 2 half circles. Would you all agree with 2 full circles? And each circle is 2 pi r plus another 2 pi r, 4 pi r. However, the r value is different. We can break these up into 2's, can't we? And which means the radius is actually 1. Diameters are 2, radiuses are 1. So, what's 4 pi multiplied by 1? Into the calculator for me. 12.56. So, they're both 12.56, which means they're actually the same, they're equal. Okay. I think it would be, yeah. If you change your R value, it always stays the same, yeah. That's what I think anyway. Now, question A, which seems to be the hardest question ever, but we're going to make light work of it. You ready? Okay. So check this out, guys. Shh. Look at this. This is going to make it easier. See? They're on the same circle. And this is the center of the circle. Which means that this part here is actually 14. Shh. Can anybody tell me the area of the triangle? It's half a rectangle or half a square. So 14 by 14 is the 196, and then divide that by 2. So the area of that is 98 centimeters squared. Now, we're next going to go for the pizza slice, which is the full thing. Everybody see it? Or the area of a sector. We all okay with that?
Yeah.
So the area of the sector is as follows. Shh. Right. Now, so what we're doing is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So it's going to be theta over 3, what's the angle? 90 degrees over 360 multiplied by pi, which is 22 over 7, multiplied by the radius, which is 14. Multiply all that out, and what do we get? We get 11. 154 centimeters squared. And 98 of that goes to the triangle. So take it away. 50, 56.